Hello viewers, welcome to HDA Forex Empire. Now in today's video, I'm going to analyze the Forex market and see what is likely to happen this coming week in the Forex market. But before we dive into the charts, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with every information and video I drop. Please do that for me right now. It doesn't cost you anything. So see you in the chat. So guys, starting with EURUSD on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can have this key zone here, this support here. Now we have this strong zone here on the daily time frame, which we have to take note of. So we have this zone here. So now let's move down to the 4-hour time frame and see what is there also. So moving down to the 4-hour time frame also, we can see that we also have another zone here. Now take a closer look at this point here. Take a closer look here. We also have another zone here, a zone of interest here on the 4-hour time frame. And we also have another zone here, another zone of interest here on the 4-hour time frame. Beautifully drawn. So now, and let's see what we have here again. So we can also have this trend line here also. We can have this beautiful trend line here also on the 4-hour time frame. So now this is what I want to see on EURUSD for buys on EURUSD. Now I want to see EURUSD break this zone here. I want to see EURUSD break this zone here, then give us a retest up to this point here, then see EURUSD go upward to this trend line here, and when EURUSD gets to this trend line here, we need to study carefully the reaction of price at that particular trend line. So if we get any selling confirming candles, we can sell EURUSD. But if price continues to break upward or continues to break this particular trend line here, then we can also wait for a retest on this trend line and continue upward. So this is my buy biased on EURUSD. And also looking at the sell scenario on EURUSD also, we can wait for price to draw. We can wait for price to make. Now listen to this very carefully. We can wait for price to give us a selling confirming candle, a sell confirming candle. So when we get our sell confirming candle on the 1-hour time frame, we can sell EURUSD exactly from this point here up to this point here, and we need to study price carefully at this key zone here. I hope you are getting it. So now this is the sell bias on EURUSD. So this is my simple analysis on EURUSD for this coming week. So guys, our next pair we'll be looking at is USD JPY. So now on USD JPY, we can see that the market is bullish. So in a bullish market, we will always be looking for buying opportunities in the market. So now we have to identify our key levels in this market. So now identify our key levels. We have a zone of interest here. Zone of interest here. And we also have another zone of interest here on the daily time frame. We also have another zone here. We also have another zone of interest here, and we also have another key level here. We also have another key level here. So moving down to the 4-hour time frame. Moving down to the 4 hours time frame. So now on the 4 hours time frame, we also have another key zone here. We also have another key level here. We also have another key level here. So now let me zoom the chart so that I get a clearer picture. So now, like I said, we are looking for buying opportunities in the market. And we also have another trend line here also. We also have another trend line here also. So now this is what I want to see in the market. Now for my buy setups, I want to see the market drop down to this key level here. I want to see the market drop down to this key level here. Then look for buying opportunities here at this key level here, then we buy them, see price moving upwards. Or it's likely that price can drop down to this level here. Price can drop down to this level here, and we look for buying confirming candles here, then we buy. Or we can also wait for price to break this whole structure. In case price breaks this whole structure, we also have another key zone here, and look for buying confirming candles, then we buy our USD JPY. So this is my simple analysis on USD JPY for this coming week. Our next pair is AUD USD. So now on this pair AUD USD, we can see that the market is bearish. Now the market is making series of lower lows and lower highs. So in a bearish market, we always look for selling opportunities. So now moving down to identify our key levels, which is very, very important here. So now identifying our key levels, we have one key level here. We also have one key level here, then have another key level here also. So now moving down to the 4 hours time frame. So moving down to the 4 hours time frame, on the 4 hours time frame, we also have a trend line here. We also have a trend line here also. Then we also have another key level here on the 4 hours time frame. So now these are the scenarios you can wait for. You can look for, sorry. So now we have to wait. Now we can see that price has gotten to this particular key zone here. So now what we can do is that we can wait for selling confirming candles on the 1 hour candle, on the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, then we sell. Or it's likely that price can touch or move upward to touch this trend line here. Then we look for selling confirming candles and sell. Or if price breaks, let's say price breaks this trend line here, we can wait for a retest on this trend line or this key zone here. Then we buy up to this point here. Then when price gets to this key zone here, we can look for selling confirming candles on the 1 hour time frame and sell AUD USD. So this is my simple analysis for AUD USD for this coming week. Our next pair we'll also be looking at is GBPNZD. That's the Great Britain pound in the New Zealand dollar. So now on this pair, we can see that the market is also bearish on the daily time frame. So we look forward selling opportunities. So now in this market, we can have a key zone here. We have a key zone here, a zone of interest at this very point here. At this very point here. So now moving down to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, we also have this key zone here. We also have these key zones here on the 4 hour time frame, 4 hours time frame. So now we also have another trend line here also. We also have another trend line here also. So now this is what I want to see in the market. Like I said, we are looking for selling opportunities. So I want to see price move upward to touch this zone here. Then we look for selling confirming candles, then sell. Or it's likely that price can do this. Price can just break the structure here. So we can wait for a retest on this zone here. Then we look for buying confirming candles and buy up to this trend line here. And when price gets here, we study how price is behaving. We study how price is behaving and we study the candles formation there. So in case we get a selling confirming candle, we sell GBPNZD. So this is my simple analysis for this coming week on GBPNZD. So on GBP card, with our analysis on this pair, I would like to start on a 4 hour time frame because the 4 hour time frame is giving me a clearer picture of the market. So now looking at this pair, we can see that if you are to study the current trend of this particular pair, we can see that the market is in a downtrend but kind of ranging also. So this is what I'm seeing. We have this key zone here. We have this key zone here, and we also have another zone here. We also have another key zone here. So this is it. And we also have another key zone here. Now we should take note of these zones here. We should take note of these zones here. So now take note of it. And let's see whether we have a trend line here also. We also have a beautiful trend line here, but this is not relevant. This trend line is irrelevant, so we'll ignore this. So now looking at this pair now. So with this pair, we can trade within the zone, but we should be very, very careful. So in case price drops down to this key zone here, we can set for buying confirming candles and buy up to this point here. And in case price gets to this point here, we can search for selling confirming candles and sell up to this point here. So now we can also wait for breakouts. We can also wait for breakout. So in case price breaks out downward here, we can wait for a retest to this zone here and look for selling confirming candles here and sell downward here. And in case price breaks out upward, in case price breaks out upward, I want to see price get to this point here, then retest this key zone here, then we look for buying confirming candles and buy GBP card. So this is my simple analysis on GBP card for this coming week. Now guys, we've come to an end of the analysis. Now if you find this video valuable, make sure you hit the like button, and if you have any question, you can also ask in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer all of your questions. And you can also join my Telegram channel where I drop free forex signals. The link is in the description box below. And you can also follow me on Twitter at HDA_amigo. The link is in the description box. See you.